Hello everyone, as we all know that in interview it's a very common question nowadays. People ask from the competitor person who are facing the interview. First is that what is land consolidations? Land consolidation is that when a farmer land, one field is there, one field is there, one field is here. So what the government will do under the land consolidation, the government measure all these spare land of the farmer and give the land land to the farmer which is equal to the whole plus of the spare field of the farmer. So that means if 1 2 3 farmer equal area equal to 5 centimeter, then the government give one field of 5 centimeter to the farmer. Why it do so? Because first is that it is beneficial for the farmer. Second, agriculture to do agriculture over that field is very easy. And third thing is that it's very convenient, not only for government and also for agriculturist. Second is that land ceiling. What is land ceiling? Under the land ceiling, the government clear the boundaries of the field of every farmer field. So here the dispute between the farmers related to the boundaries become, we can say that, smash. So land ceiling, under which the government clear the land boundaries of the field of the farmers. Third is that what is land record? Land record is that under which government can keep the record, not only the land, not only the owner of the land, not only the production whatever the farmer produce over that land, and all the agriculturist detail over the land, loan and sale and purchase purpose, people can use land record. So these are the all. If you people like this video, please like, share, subscribe it. It will motivate me to make more videos related to the law information for the general beneficial. Thank you. Bye. Take care and keep smiling, keep aware. Bye. Take care.